Subaru Crosstrek has been redesigned for the 2018 model year. Built on a new platform, the crossover features an updated engine, a standard 6-speed manual, Stablex dampers, active torque vectoring, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as available reverse automatic braking and steering responsive headlights. The 2018 Subaru Crosstrek crossover packs the Impreza's 2.0-liter i4 with 152 horsepower and 145 pounds-to-feet of torque, mated to a CVT that sends power to Subaru's Symmetrical all-wheel drive system. That's a small bump in power from the outgoing 2.0-liter i4, which produced 148 horsepower. A 6-speed manual is the standard transmission. The Crosstrek returns 27.33 miles per gallon city highway when equipped with the CVT and 23.29 with the 6-speed manual. The Crosstrek sports 8.7 inches of ground clearance that give the vehicle a more crossover-like stance. Redesigned for 2018, the Crosstrek is better than ever. The new generation takes off with an improved available CVT. In addition, qualities that helped the previous Crosstrek stand out, now shine even brighter. Its cabin, for example, comes with a user-friendly infotainment system and advanced smartphone integration.